Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your VCOM account, correct password, and two-factor authentication are active. Once done, install the official client and allow microphone and network permissions. Make sure the app updates to the latest build. Next, open system sound settings and choose the preferred microphone and speakers so VCOM picks them automatically. This prevents input/output issues. Finally, sign in with your credentials and let the app finish any first-run configuration before moving to connection setup. You now join or create the channel that matches your purpose and assign roles to control permissions. Then open VCOM audio settings, choose the codec, and set bitrate to balance quality and latency. Lower bitrate for unstable networks. Turn on noise suppression and echo cancellation so remote voices stay clear. Once configured, decide push-to-talk versus voice activation, set the trigger key or sensitivity, and run a microphone test. Make sure overlays and indicators show active input so you can monitor live. You finish by conducting a real-world test call with a colleague to verify audio clarity, latency, and permission behavior. If issues appear, inspect firewall rules and router NAT or port forwarding because blocked ports often cause call failures. Once you adjust network rules, restart the VCOM client and reselect input/output devices to clear stale device handles. If audio still fails, toggle push-to-talk or lower bitrate. These quick changes often restore service. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: restart the client before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.